Hey guys, it's Tyler. I'm your handyman for the average man, and I got my prickly pear behind me. And look at this. This thing is absolutely beautiful. We absolutely love this plant in my family, especially my wife. So, look at this. We got tons of new cactus babies growing. Let me turn this around and show you. All right, so this is the prickly pear cactus, as you can see, and every year there's another generation of prickly pears that grow up. So I just want to show you, this is the great-great-grandma cactus right there at the bottom, all right? And so that's what it started with. From there we have 5 different cactuses that are coming off of that one. So I call those the 5 great-grandmas. They're the 5 great-grandma cactuses. Off of those, if you count them up, there's actually 13 grandma cactuses, all right? And then another generation, you got 19 mama cactuses, all right? And for last, all these little, see all these little new baby cactuses? There's 82 baby cactuses. So that is incredible. So we have a problem though. As good as this is, 82 new baby prickly pear cactus is growing in. As good as that is, look what we've got going on. Let me show you. So if you take a look here, you see all those ants? That's gonna cause a problem if we don't take care of it. So they're actually on every single one of these baby prickly pears. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna use a really good product, really important product called Diatomaceous Earth. Okay, this is some cheap brand, but ultimately it's you know, you may get one of the name brands, but what you're looking for is Diatomaceous Earth. All right, and this is good for ants, other crawling insects. It also includes snails and slugs, because snails and slugs love succulents because of the moisture and water that's inside. And so that's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna show you real quickly using the Diatomaceous Earth. All right, so all we're gonna do, very simple. We're just gonna get a spoon and we're gonna be careful not to breathe this in. We're just gonna get a spoon and we're gonna very easily just make a nice little ring of the Diatomaceous Earth around the cactus. And so every time the ants or the snails or the slugs crawl through this, the powder's gonna get stuck onto their bodies or their exoskeleton, whatever the case may be, and it's gonna do some damage to them. They're not gonna make it. So we're gonna use the same method on the peach tree that I have as well. So let me show you. We got this circle around the whole base of it that will keep out any new insects from coming out. But look at this. You see that? So we're gonna nip this problem in the bud, and that'll take care of these guys and any new incomers. All right, so that's all it is to it. Very simple, but that will go a long way in protecting the plant. And you know, this same principle can be used for other plants like fruit trees such as peach trees, which I will probably include in another video, who knows. But yeah, so that will help the cactus keep the slugs, snails, ants, anything else that might want to get on it away from it. And I want to point out here on this side, you can tell since we have this concrete patio here, these ones here, they're just starting to be a little invasive on the patio area. So in another video, I'm going to show you trying to prune that up. You wouldn't think of pruning a prickly pear, but sometimes you got to do what you got to do. So hope you all enjoyed this video. If you haven't already, please subscribe. I think since my last video, I've had almost 100 new subscribers, so thank you so much. And I'm well on my way to my goal of 1,000 subscribers. And there will be a giveaway. More details to come. I'm just finalizing some ideas that I have for that. So stay tuned. Please subscribe, like the video, comment below. If you have anything that you do to care for your prickly pears, comment below. I'd love to hear about it. And as always, I am a handyman for the average man. Y'all take care. Bye. Just want to show you real quick. At night, we have these little lights that light up because we have a little solar panel that it hangs from. And so at night, every night, it has these little lights. So I think that's pretty cool. Just makes it stand out a little bit at night.